How to see Facebook password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to see your Facebook password, if you have saved your Facebook password or it is backed up in your Google account, then what you can do is open up settings in your mobile device. From here, scroll down and there you'll find an option as passwords and account. Tap on it. From here, tap on this Google under this password section at the top of this interface. Now under this section, scroll down and there you'll find Facebook, tap on it and then verify your device. After that, tap on this eye icon from this interface and then you will be able to view your Facebook password so that you can log in with that without having to recover it. So this was the first way. Now if you want to follow the second way, then what you have to do is go back to your device and then open up Google. Now from here, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on Google account. Now from this interface, go to the security option by sliding this menu bar at the top of this interface. From here, scroll down and then tap on password manager. Here also you will be able to view your Facebook password by tapping on this Facebook if you have backed up your Facebook password in your Google account. So that's how you can see your Facebook password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.